So number one, right? Number one, I called that right down here, if you'll notice as well. I've given you specific titles to every type of problem. Okay, so that way when you see them on the test, and we'll go through some of your older SAT tests to see, the problems you've gotten wrong. You'll notice this is one of the easiest ones to miss. Function manipulation is simply they've presented a function in a different manner. Sometimes they're like, they'll explain, okay, in this game you start off with 15 points. Oh, that's your y-intercept, that's your b, right? Yeah. And you gain 3 points for every card you get. You have 5 cards. How many points more does the person with 9 cards have? Do you see that? Yeah. That's just function of 9, f of 9 minus f of 5. Okay? So I want you to take a look at number 1 and actually the owl one. Can you read out what number that one is?
Which one's owl?
The owl one is number 6. The little drawing of my owl, right?
For all integers x, let owl x equal 12, parentheses x minus 7, parentheses squared, plus 15, which of the following is equal to 4.
Okay? So, do you notice that they drew this little, I'll just draw a star, an owl, and then they gave you a number. If you were to go in there, I know for a lot of us, that looks hard. Okay? Dude, you've gone through calculus. You know how to do this. Let me do this. In all of those owls, go ahead and replace him with just an F, and then do this.
Okay. I'll just get f of x then.
Yeah, it's just f of x. It's silly because,
so it's just f of 4. You just plug in the numbers and see what you get.
Okay, another concept on there though. In number 6, I want you to notice that the function that I gave you is one of these. Right? This is called the vertex form for a quadratic. Right? Yeah. And in a vertex form, you find where the axis symmetry is because you have this specific h comma k. So if this is like a 7, this is like a 15, then this is at 7 comma 15. Right? A just changes the stretch factor. We'll go through all of the quadratic stuff later. But what I want you to notice is they were asking for, they say, what was the vertex on this one? It is 7, right? Yeah. Okay, so they're now looking for, this is the vertex. They're looking for what?
F of what's equal to 4.
Okay, so here, let's say f of 7 is here. And if you go left 3, you get to your 4, right? That's right here. That's to the left of that axis of symmetry. You move left 3 spots, you get to f of 4, right? Yeah. That has to be equal to which one? 3 to the right of it, right? Because it's symmetric on the other side, and put plus a 3, right? So what number is that?
10.
Yeah, 10. Is that correct? F of 10 is equal to f of 4?
Yeah.
So the owl of 10 is the same as that. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's realistically, you should have been able to look at that and say, okay, vertex is at 7, I'm at the 4, I move left 3, right 3, 10, done. Okay, don't even need to draw this out. This is just my explanation for you. Okay, so as we get faster and go through these, and notice what the actual questions are asking us, you'll see that realistically, a lot of the times they just there's more words on the page than that's necessary. That's all it is. Yeah. Okay? So if you're able to manipulate that equation to make more sense to you, okay, I actually want you to take a pen or pencil and actually rewrite those. F of 10, F of what, right? All those need to be rewritten as functions for you to use now.